Good morning, traders. I hope you're fresh and ready for the week. I know Monday is my favorite day, so let's see what the market has in store for us. As per normal, I have pre-plotted last my points of interest, last week's high and low for the entire watch list. So if you actually want to see that process, just let me know, and I will start including that. But for now, I've also done the 4-hour levels, so this way we're looking. Dow Jones, we've had two levels of drop. I'm not sure if we completed the second level of drop, but we're still in that same level, so we're gonna stick around. But what matters to us is the H1 because that's where we get our daily bias. Remember, we are day traders on this side. So with that being said, on the Dow Jones, we have had what looks like one level of rise here on Friday. It also kind of ended the week, but it's good enough that we had it to start a new level. So we could have another level of rise. Essentially, we most likely to have two levels of rise from this level, but it will be relevant to us if they come to that at this here point of interest, and we know that we have a high probability set up in that regard. Nasdaq, on the other hand, is a little bit different. We had two levels of drop here and call it consolidation from Friday, so we anticipate another level of drop here. Maybe they'll come down to this region, not quite sure. But what matters is that if they come here and issue some significant reversal signals, I will do a video probably sometime this week, just to show you my points of interest and what I actually consider as a reversal signal at those areas. So we'll probably have a trade here coming, and Dow Jones will have another trade here. GBP/USD kind of chopped around in the same area for a bit. Let's check the 4-hour. What I see here is that we've had three levels of drop, but they haven't necessarily had the P formation low. It's not confirmed for me, so I want to see them move off of this level and see what they do there first. On the 1 hour, again, the most relevant one, they had two levels of drop, but then they reversed again. So it looks like the peak. This could be the peak formation low, but again, we still need to see how they do it. Ideally, I would be buying here if they came here or here, but as you can see, the ADR is there, so that trade is ruled out. Euro USD has had what looks like three levels of rise. It is a little bit confusing, or not so clear rather, but we have had three levels of rise here. We can have a look at the 4-hour levels, and what we see here is that we've completed our downtrend cycle, so to speak. Yeah, and we have reversed. This is definitely a peak formation low on the 4-hour, so we expect some rise there, which means we're not likely to have another level or to have a level of drop here. This is three levels of rise, but I think maybe we'll have a short pullback and we'll continue again. Yeah, we'll just have to look and see there, but there is nothing for us to buy here. If you can see that ADR there is blocking us again, so we'll just monitor it. Maybe tomorrow there'll be something to do there. AUD USD completed their downtrend as well, and they have started their uptrend. I have one level of rise marked here, so I'm just gonna have a look. Again, points of interest. Monday, look, Monday doesn't have a lot of trades. It's quite often. It's quite normal. But yeah, let's see. Nothing in our points of interest. I forgot to include last month's high and low for each of the instruments, so I'll have them for tomorrow's analysis. I'm obviously going to add them when I'm done here so that I can have a look at them, but I'll add them for tomorrow's analysis. Yeah, we look to buy here. ADR is keeping us out of the trade again, so we move on. USD CAD has been rising forever. It looks like they finally did one level of reversal here. We might have a continuation of this trend going down. Again, the ADR over here, we cannot take any trades here. For some of you that take maybe continuation patterns, you have quite an opportunity here. But with our trading plan and setup here, the Chart Whisperer, this is nothing we can. There's nothing we can do about this. but we'll monitor. It is very likely that we get another level of drop here. Swiss franc. Swiss franc has even done the ADR for the day already, so oftentimes I don't even look at what happens to pairs once this has been done. But yeah, they're in level 3 here. They had the 3 levels of rise. They've been chilling in this region, so they're probably gonna go down here. Let's see the H4. How many levels they've had? 1, 2. Is that 3? 3 levels of. It looks more like 2. I think I need to adjust this. It looks more like 2 because we've got 1 consolidation. So yeah, we've actually had 2 levels of drop of rise here. I should remove this. Okay, you want to make a thing of me of this? Yeah, we've had 1, 2 levels, so probably gonna have another level of rise here. I don't know if that's gonna be now though, since they've been in this area. Yeah, we'll see how they choose to behave there. But once more, there's no trade because of the ADR. We would have been selling here based on the 3-day cycle, but no opportunity, so we leave it. And finally, S&P 500, we've had 1, 2 levels of drop. Would like to sell for another one again. ADR is right there by yesterday's high, which means for today we could only possibly trade Nasdaq and US 30, who interestingly enough I have opposite directions for. Yeah, none of these in New York. I mean in London session. These are most likely to be in New York. So yeah, I guess that's it for the day. Well, that's it, all we have for today. Just tune in. Actually, I'm gonna put a link in the description for the Telegram channel. I'm gonna be giving updates as to how, as the market keeps on going, I'm gonna get to our points of interest. If there's anything for us to trade or anything that I see, I'll be giving a lot more value in the Telegram channel. So just have a look in the description. Click the link, and then please click the like button. Subscribe. I'm gonna be doing this every day. As you can see, I'm a BTMM trader, and that's what we're doing here at the Chart Whisper. So give a like, subscribe, comment anything that matters to you, of relevance to you, and let's see how today goes.